Do you remember cassette tapes? You could record music on them, and then when you were tired of what was on them, you could re record it to put on something new. Mindsets work in this way. While it may seem like they're set in stone, they can be changed. In this video, I'll share with you 3 key steps to changing mindsets. Why change mindsets? Well, studies show over and over how incredibly powerful mindsets are. They affect how well the food you eat, the exercise you do, and the medical treatments you use work to keep your whole person healthy and well. Your well being depends on the awareness of your mindsets and your ability to shift them when they're no longer working. They don't change by thinking differently, just like this cassette tape won't change because I don't like the music on it anymore. Changing mindsets is a 3 step process that includes all your internal parts of your well being: your mental, emotional, spiritual, and physical. It starts with being aware of your thoughts about the subject and your emotions that you feel as a result of thinking about it. Are you feeling stressed, guilt, shame, or dis-ease about the subject? Updating your knowledge about it can open up your thinking and start to help to improve the emotions that you feel when you think about this topic. For example, updating what you know about exercise from what you learned in high school as an athlete to what current studies show about how to exercise to be healthy and well. That can open up your definition about how much is enough exercise and how it's supposed to feel in your body. And that can change your emotions about exercising, giving you hope that you don't have to push through pain or feel exhausted from exercising in order to be healthy. But knowledge is only the first step to changing mindsets. The second step is tapping into what only you know inside about what you really want, what it means to you to be healthy and well right now. That's only known in your spirit. Your heart brain and your intuition in your gut give you the inner awareness of what you value now. If your mindset about a subject is a mismatch from what you value or what you want for your health right now, how you want to feel and function now, you will not be motivated. Your brain is not good at delaying gratification. It depends on how you feel now and whether it aligns with what matters to you right now. So, for example, when you were an athlete, what mattered was winning. You knew how to push your body to get those results. But now you just can't seem to stay motivated even though you know what to do. Now you have other people to take care of. You have a career that takes up a lot of time and a body that is feeling the effects of all of those competitions. What you want from exercising needs updating because what matters now has changed. But if that information you get about how to exercise to be healthy is focused on preventing disease in the future and burning calories to get to a healthy weight in the future, you likely still won't feel motivated because, again, your brain cares about how you feel and function now. And those ways of exercising don't change how you feel now. In fact, those old tapes about pushing through pain and more is better will tell you that you don't have time to exercise now and you can't afford to be in pain or injured right now. You likely will just feel more guilt about exercising from that type of information. And that exercise mindset is not going to budge. If that updated information about exercise, however, tells you how to do it now, so you have more energy now and reduce pain and injury risk now, your spirit will wake up to the fact that this could actually be a resource for getting what you want right now. More energy and less pain means you get to play with your kids and you get to put more into your work and you get to enjoy hobbies with greater ease. But the last step is what really will change that mindset. Your body signals your brain about choices. If there's tension or worry around a subject, your brain is on alert. This choice is a threat, keeping you in a stress state. This is exactly why mindsets about health habits are so powerful. They change not only your choices, but your physiology. Embodying the new mindset starts with doing something differently, taking action in a new way, and then noticing how your body feels, and then adjusting so how you feel aligns with how you want to feel and function now. For example, if you take that information about a different way of exercising than the way you were used to exercising as an athlete and you try it out for yourself, you listen to your body as you move and you make the adjustments needed so that you're moving with less pain and it gives you more energy right now. And at the same time, you're listening to your thoughts. When they chime in with those old messages that this is not enough and you have to push harder to get results, you adjust your thinking as you're moving with self talk that responds with the updated knowledge that you want something different now, and that pain and energy are guides, and you can trust your body that you don't have to push through pain. When your body says thank you for moving differently and thinking differently about moving, your body is telling your brain and your spirit that this is worth repeating, and you are upgrading your exercise mindset to one that gets you unstuck and gets you the health and well being benefits that you really want right now. The more often you repeat this while listening to your body and your thoughts and adjusting so that you feel the way you want to right now, the more you are reinforcing this new mindset. The bottom line is, when you know how to listen to your brain, your spirit, and your body, what they're telling you right now, and you adjust for what you want, you have the ability to power up your mindsets and lead your own well being. Like anything else, real change comes from feeling it in your body, experiencing it for yourself. But the cool thing about updating these exercise mindsets is that it strengthens your ability to listen to and trust your body. And that has a ripple effect into the way that you eat and the way that you manage stress. The Be Well Now method is based on this whole person approach to exercising in a way that strengthens the mindsets that transform exercise into a resource to be well now. Learn more about the mindsets of exercising for well being and feel the difference of exercising as a resource for whole person self care at exercisingwell.com.